Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about order of operations. When we operations, we have four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So to find out our order of operations, we have BEMDAS. B stands for brackets. We have two kinds of brackets. This one is circle brackets. And then this one is a square brackets. Okay? And then next is E stands for exponent. M is multiplication. And then D is division. And then A, addition. And then the last will be subtraction. Okay. This math is intended for everybody, to those who are willing to solve. So number one, I have here 10 times square brackets, and then inside the square brackets I have circle brackets, two circle brackets. 35 take away 5, or 35 minus 5 is divided by another circle brackets, 2 plus 8 plus 2, 3 raised to the second power. So need to copy this one. 10 times square brackets. Simplify this one first. So 35 take away 5, that is 30. And then the operation is division. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Then plus 3 raised to the second power, meaning multiply itself 2 times. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So this will be 9. Next, this will be 10 times. Okay, reduce this one by using sign of grouping, which is square brackets. 30 divide by 10. So 30 divide by 10, cross out the zeros. So this will be 3 divided by 1 is 3. So I have here 3. Then plus 9. Then multiply 10 times 3. So this will be 30. Then plus 9. So 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. So that's the answer for number 1. And then number 2, I will give you number 2. Serve as your task. And then try to solve and write your answer in the comment. Number 2, this is yours. 24 minus square brackets, and then inside there is a circle brackets, 5 plus 3 times 2 raised to the third power, and the last operation is division, 8. So this is your task. That's all.